How to claim unclaimed property in the state of Kansas. Welcome, everybody. As you can see from this page that you were sent to from the link I provided to you either in my book or my booklet, the state of Kansas has already given back $456 million of property and money that was just sitting there. And I know it seems unremarkable because who's going to forget about property? But a lot of times, if you leave a deposit at an apartment complex and you move out, or you move somewhere quickly, unexpectedly, and they don't know how to get a hold of you, or if maybe you had to put a deposit for a cell phone and you have the cell phone years and years and years, and then you never file for it. So this is all you do. Come up here to where the box shows Smith. I had already put that in there, so let me take it out. Last name or business name. We'll just put Smith. And we'll do John. And we'll hit search. This will show you it's working and verifying your browser so that you are not a spam bot trying to claim properties. Now, the first one shows John Smith. The holder name is UPS. The address of John Smith is 10648 West 115th Street, Overland Park, Kansas. Wages, payroll, salary, and it's over $100. So you would simply go to claim and then continue, and then the drop-down menu, you have to check yourself as being the owner. Now, if you have somebody else that's doing this, like an heir or a legal representative, like a trustee, they'll have to have a power of attorney to do so. But you would hit forward, file a claim. Fill out this page. This is all the information they need right away to start. They will send you a confirmation email with a claim ID number, along with a direct link to upload all the documents that you need. And they will give you a list of documents required for you to get this claim back. Very important. Make sure your physical mailing address and your physical email address are both current and correct. If not, when they go to cut the check, they're not going to send it to the wrong address. You want to make sure it goes right to you. Once you get your return and get a check, take a picture of yourself with the check and send it to me so I can share it with my students.